Hello, welcome back to Python MCQ series. In this particular video, we'll talk about Python function. So let's start. Our first question is, which of the following is the use of function in Python? Option A, functions are reusable piece of programs. Option B, functions don't provide better modularity for your application. Option C, you can't create your own function. Option D, all of the mentioned. So the correct answer will be option A, functions are reusable. Functions are reusable piece of programs. They allow you to give a name to a block of statements, allowing you to run that block using the specified name anywhere in your program and any number of times. Go to the next question. Which keyword is used for function in Python language? Option A, function. Option B, def. Option C, fun. Option D, define. And the correct answer will be option B. The def keyword is used to create or define a function. Question 3. What is print var in the following code or following statement? So here you can see that we have a variable myvar with value 5, and we are using def, then print var, and then first bracket and colon, and inside this block we are printing myvar variable, and after that outside of the block we are calling print var. Now the option is, this is our list, this is a string, this is an integer, and option D, a function. So the correct answer will be option D, this is a function. So here print var is a function. Question 4. What will be the output of the following statement? So the same code which you have seen in the previous MCQ. So tell me what will be the output. Option A, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Option B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Option C, only 5. Option D, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the correct answer will be option C. If you run the code, it will produce 5. So let me show you in Jupyter Notebook. If you'll copy and paste your code and if you will run, it will produce 5. Now we'll go to our next question, question number 5. What will be the output after the following statement? Here you can see the previous code and this code is pretty similar, but the difference is in printf function we have a parameter end and we are calling function 2 times. So what will be the output for this code? Option A, 5, 5. Option B, 5 space 5. Option C, only 5. Option D, 10, 1, 0. So the correct answer will be 5, 5. That is option A. And now I will show you why the output is 5, 5. Before that, please let me explain what is end parameter here. In the printf function, the end keyword is used to specify the content that is to be printed at the end of the execution of the printf function. By default, it is set to /n, which leads to change of line after the execution of the printf statement, and /n, it means this string literally is used to add a new blank line while printing a statement. So let me execute the code in the Jupyter Notebook, then I'll explain how it will actually work. So I am pasting the code here, and you can see if I'll not give end keyword as a parameter, then it will print 5 and it will go to the next line, then it will print 5 in the next line. If I'll give the end like this with a blank, and if I'll not pass anything inside the end, it will print 5, then 5 without any space or new line. Why? Because if I'll not give like this, it will, by default it will give /n and it will generate a new line. But if I don't want a new line, then I have to specify like this. And if you want to print any character inside this end parameter, then you can also do that. If you'll run, then each time it will print star. In the first call, it will call the print var and it will print the variable, then it will print star. Again for this calling, it will again print the variable and at the end it will give a star. So if I will give any other symbol like dash or underscore, it will print the dash or underscore. So here is our result. So I hope this is clear for you. So if you will run the code, it will produce 5. So that's it for today. We completed 5 questions in this video. In the next video, we will again discuss about more 5 questions. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.